Hello guys, good day. Welcome to another monthly catch up season 3 episode 31st 31. So this month we are working on some project. I'm making three design new bags for a client from Canada. She's in Canada. So she sent me some design, digital design. So he have sent this for quite some days now. I think more than a week, but I have not had the time to start the project. But I just start. But I've started before I even remember that I'm supposed to do monthly catch up. So I say let me update you guys. So this is this. We are using three different color. We are using this black and gold, as you can see. Then we are using this green to make another bag. Then we are using this blue. Don't mind me if I don't recognize color that much, but I just hope you guys will take it as I mention it. So I have finished cutting everything, as you can see. So these are the design. This is the cycle one that you just saw there. This one. This is the specification and design here. This is another design here. We're supposed to get this block, but this block have sent. I have tried to order for it, but it's not available at the moment. So I'm going to construct this to make the bag. So the green one, I'm using green Ankara for the lining inside. As you can see, you guys is going to see everything once I finish. So this is another bag. This is the black and gold. You see, it has some reco here. So we're going to make this. It's like a design, and then there is another one in form of like clutch and purse. So this one is the blue one. So as you guys can see, these are all the design here, and majority of the bag I'm using this hidden magnets. You see, is going to be hidden in the compartments within the interface, so you won't see the magnet from outside, but you can feel it works. As you guys can see, it's very strong. There is more. This one is just the sample outside here for me to do the sample and see. This bag are sample, but we don't know if we'll be producing more of it. But once they are satisfied with the sample and they love it, probably in the future you might find us producing more of this particular bag design. So that's just it, guys. That's just the update for now. I think okay, the update for now, let me still give you some updates for the workshop. As you guys can see, the stuff are getting reduced a little bit by the day. So as you can see, before there used to be a bag here, there used to be two heavy carton here for our press machine. It's no longer there, so I'm trying to put them outside. The carton are actually there. As you can see, that is one on top, the other one is below, and that's the reason why we cover this iron here with a net and with this flex, so that we can put some of our items there as the storage. So the up is still the way it used to be. We are trying to fix this side so we can store all our accessory. We have a lot of accessory and they worth a lot. That's where our ashoke is, some ashoke here, but this specification here, majority of this one here, the middle there is for cap. The top are all our Ankara, the new one and some we just got. Down here is our book and some accessory as well. Well, the shop is coming together by the day, so once we are done, you guys are going to still get updated for the shop. But by the way, this is the work I have for you this month, and I think we'll be going for a fair. I don't know if I'm able to film at the fair. I am going to put it in this monthly catch up so that you guys will see. Thank you for being here, for watching, and I will see you at the continuation of the making. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to the continuation of this monthly catch up. It is early right now. Let me show you the time. So you see, this is 6:49. 6:49. So that's how early I get to the workshop today. So this is after a few days. The project I was working on, I was showing you the other day. This is one of it. This is the one that is remaining. One is under there. I'm keeping it there to cure because the material I use, the fiber, is very strong. So we want the mouth to be closed. This is how we do it sometimes. I just put a heavy something on it so that the mouth will stay close, and this is another one, same thing going on here. So once I'm done, I'm going to show you so that you see the structure bag how it's going to be. So I told you that we'll be going to a fair in a few days, so that's my ride outside there that will be taking me to the fair. We've packed it, but we are not leaving not until I think past 7. But I just decided to update you guys now and show you what is going on. So once, if I'm able to film at the fair, I will try my best to film. If I can't, you guys will meet once we get back. Thank you for watching. See you at the continuation. Hello guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. Voila, we are done with this particular design. We are done. But before I start talking about this, I say if I go to, we are attending a trade fair, I will try as much as possible to film there. I film a little bit, but it's not in landscape, it's in portrait. But I know by now, okay, let me, this editing will come before it, so watch the video at the fair, which is in portraits. So watch it. After you finish watching, I'll come back to show you more of this so you guys can learn. So guys, welcome back. I know you finished watching the fair. So this is the bag we've made so far. Make this particular one, I don't know if I've shown you this before. Then we make this 1, 2, and this one I showed earlier. And right now, this, I said this is a prototype, this is a sample. I'm going to send this to the owner because it's like it's a work gotten from a client, but I need to show it to someone that is going to now pass the information to her. So from there we'll know the next line of step. But these are the 3 designs which you guys have seen from the beginning of the video. This is like a clutch purse, also like a curb purse, and this is like a cycle bag, and this we use Ankara to line the inside of the bag. This is all Ankara, and this is lined with a velvet inside black, and this is also lined with velvet inside black. So that's just it. Right now we'll be going out to send this back to the owner, and hopefully they get it and they love it. So right now there's nothing much to do other than those particular bag here. It's a abandoned project I need to tidy up, but I think we have some cap we're supposed to make. So I don't know if I am able to make the cap within this week or next week. I will include that in this monthly catch up, or other than that, probably the video might end. updates might end anytime soon, but I'll try as much as possible to make those cap. So guys, have you missed me? So guys, enough talking. See you at the continuation. Bye for now. Hello guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch up. So promise fulfilled, I tell you guys that I will be showing the cap I will be making. So it actually took me too long to make this cap because our lights has an issue, so some area got burned. We have to just fix it, and I was even supposed to upload this like 4 days ago, but now I'm just filming it, and I will try my best to edit this tonight and upload it. So I'm done with the cap. It's just this one is size 19 for a baby, not a baby, a kid, but this 3 is for adults. So that's just so far. I just finished making it now, so that is the updates. I hope you guys love this. Seriously, I don't even know what is there to love for this particular month catch up, since there's nothing much for you to learn. But finger crossed, I promise you guys next month is going to be amazing, much better than this particular month. So let me end this here and continue with the activities.